Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2011 Toyota Venza all-wheel drive, stock number E1380PB. 69,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. Venza seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera for additional safety. And power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat easily with a pull of a handle. And very clean, as you can see. This Venza has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power seats, tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, start, large, easy to read gauges, get only 69,000 miles, steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, high mounted screen for backup camera, easy to operate radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats, automatic transmission with manual shift capability, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect those media devices, and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Venza has a 3.5 liter V6, 268 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 18 miles to the gallon, and the city average is 25 on the highway. And ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Venza, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.